everyone, it's Lauren and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title of the video, we are going to be making the Starbucks pumpkin cream cold brew. This is by far my favorite fall drink. It has totally topped the pumpkin spice latte. It is amazing. So if you've never tried it, I suggest going to get it. But if you don't have a Starbucks or you don't want to spend the money, we are going to be learning how to make it here in your own home. The ingredients are super simple and it seems like a very easy drink to make. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm really excited. I have all of my fall ingredients behind me. I made a coffee last night in my Nespresso and I chilled it overnight. So we have my cold coffee all ready to go. So we're just gonna be whipping up all of the ingredients and then adding it to the coffee, doing a taste test together and seeing how it is. Okay, so we're gonna run through all the ingredients first and then we will get into making the cream. So first we obviously have the cold coffee. It's right here. I'm gonna stick it back in the fridge while we make the foam, but this is the coffee. We have heavy cream. That is going to be the main thing in the foam. Any sweetener of your choice. I have this pumpkin flavored syrup as well as vanilla syrup. I think I'm gonna end up using both. Vanilla extract and then pumpkin spice, but I don't have pumpkin spice, so we're gonna be making our own pumpkin spice out of cinnamon, ginger, cloves, and nutmeg. It's super easy to make, so if you have these ingredients from making any pumpkin related treat, you can just make pumpkin spice at home. So I'm gonna stick the coffee back in the fridge and let's get started on making the foam or the cold cream or whatever it is. I'm actually gonna start with making the pumpkin spice. If you have pumpkin spice, you can skip this step, but I will be showing you how to make this. Okay, so for the pumpkin spice seasoning, it's just 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm making it for 3 servings, so if you only want 1 serving, feel free to just make the sizes for just 1 serving, but I figured why not make 3 servings, and then I'll have it for future. 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground ginger. I feel like I should do the cinnamon challenge. And then 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cloves. So that's it for the pumpkin spice. So that is all complete. I'll just mix this up and that will be included in the foam as well as topping it for a little garnish. All right, so now moving on to the pumpkin foam. First, we're gonna start off with the heavy cream. We're using 1/4 cup of heavy cream. This is just for 1 serving, so if you are doubling it for 2, feel free. This is so thick. Oh my gosh. Next, we are doing 1/2 teaspoon of whatever flavoring you're gonna use. I'm gonna use the pumpkin and the vanilla, so I'll do 1/4 of each. I could pretty much just guess this. I feel like I don't really, whoa. Oh, there's a top on this. Okay. Next, we are doing 1/2 teaspoon of the pumpkin puree. This is chunky. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then lastly, 1/4 of a teaspoon of the pumpkin spice that we just made. And then you'll also be using some of this to garnish on top as well. So that's it for the ingredients. For the foam, I'm going to use a hand mixer to mix this all together. Okay, let's mix. This looks so good. I'm gonna try it and see how the flavor is, if it needs more of anything. Oh, that is so good. Oh. I'm gonna add just a little bit more pumpkin because I feel like it's not super pumpkin-y. I just added another 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, so this is all done. I'm gonna get my coffee out and then we will add this foam to the coffee. Okay, so we're back and I have my ice, my coffee, my foam, and my garnishing. So we're gonna start off with the ice. I'm gonna pour my coffee in this glass. Whoa. I just made a mess. And then I'm just gonna take a spoon and put this on top. Oh my God, this looks so good. This is like a dessert drink. Oh my goodness. This seems like a lot, but Just gonna use it all. And then I'm just gonna take this and sprinkle some of it on top for garnish. And I think my drink is complete. This looks amazing. This literally looks like I got this at a coffee shop nicer than Starbucks. I'm gonna take a video of it for you guys to see up close. Like, hello, look at this. I'm gonna put all this away and then we are going to move into the taste test. This looks so pretty, I don't even wanna mix it, but I need to mix the foam in a little bit, I think. Oh my gosh, this is so good. You're kidding. I killed this. Oh my God, this is so good. I'm gonna wanna make this every morning, but I also don't have 30 minutes every morning to make a coffee. Well, I think this was a success. If you guys try this out, make sure you guys let me know how it is, if it turned out good, tag me in your pictures. I think this turned out amazing. Like, I think I did a better job than Starbucks. On appearance, I give myself a 10 out of 10, like way better than Starbucks. I mean, I don't know if anyone can beat the Starbucks drink. Like, it's just, there's something about that cold brew, I think, but this is tough to beat. Like, this is truly amazing. I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like this video and subscribe down below. And I will see you guys next Saturday. Bye.